Nababo kabalan, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank CinnaBuns, no? So upfront guys, let me tell you that this is a sponsored video, so more than a review, it's a highlight of their products. So they sent us 4 boxes, no? So each box is actually parang mga serving sizes nila. Now, yung product that is really out in the market right now is this CinnaBun right here. So yung CinnaBun nila is the stickiest buns that are made with caramelized organic muscovado, glazed with honey that will satisfy your cravings without worrying too much about sugar. It's also loaded with chopped walnuts that will intensify the flavor in every crunch. Grabe, if you notice guys, again, I mean, the camera doesn't lie. Sobrang andami ng walnuts na kumbaga top, no? And then, if you notice, as I mentioned earlier, so ang ginagamit po nila dito is organic muscovado. So that is actually, you know, giving in to the pleasure without yung parang guilty feel, no? Because it's, of course, aside from the unique taste of muscovado, meron po siyang mga, you know, health benefit. Anyway, so this coming holiday season, they have this new product and they call it Dark Rocking Bun. So this Dark Rocking Bun, you can never go wrong with their fluffy Dark Rocking Buns made with organic muscovado sugar, with dark chocolate cinnamon drizzled with luscious dark chocolate ganache. That is definitely worth trying, no? So these are gonna be available soon this holiday season, this Christmas season. So might probably, you know, you can add this as an option to your giveaways or an option to parang mga ano, i-add natin sa Noche Buena ano natin table. Anyway, so like I said, more than a review, we're actually highlighting the product. So we're gonna taste it right now. Wow! First impression guys, so this size of a bun right here, no, yung CinnaBun natin is heavy. It goes to say na ano, it's really moist. It's packed with, you know, yung mga ingredients natin for a really awesome cinnamon bread. Okay, let's taste it. Oh wow. To tell you honestly guys, no, so since I've tasted it, let me say my 2 cents about the product, no? I've tasted a lot of ibang cinnamon breads out there before. Most of them I like them, no? Pero they tend to ano, parang nakukulangan ako dun sa moisture nung ano, pinaka bread nila. This bread right here is kumbaga, it's almost ano, parang yung pinaka, what do you call it, sauce? It's almost dripping eh. Parang ganun yung nakikita ko, yung cinnamon mixture niya with the sugar. It's like dripping na. So you can tell it's really moist. Again, let's have another bite, guys. Oh man. Wow. Naman ha? Promise. Stay put. I'm gonna get back to you. Next, I wanna try yung kanilang Dark Rockin' Bun. Oh man, again guys, I gotta say, another heavy bread. Let's just taste it. Oh wow. This is absolutely chocolate overload. Every inch, every centimeter nung bread na nasa loob ng bibig mo is full of chocolate flavor. But I gotta say, I gotta tell you, true to itself, no, hindi siya ganun katamis. So ganun yung parang pinaka promise ng muscovado, yung organic muscovado. For those of you who are chocolate lovers, grabe, this is gonna be a piece of heaven for you. Wow. Yeah man, so once again guys, we would like to thank CinnaBun for sending us 4 boxes of their products. So this is the original CinnaBun. I think this is where it started, no? And then this is gonna be available this coming holiday season. Watch out sa fan page nila to know more about yung announcement when it's gonna be available. This is really great. That was really amazing guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, share mo dun sa friend mo na nagki-crave ng mga cinnamon bread. We would like to request you to go to CinnaBun fan page to give them a like, follow yung mga social media handles nila so that we can stay updated any announcement or any promos that they're gonna be, you know, giving away. Anyway, so thanks so much for watching Where in Pampanga. I hope you stay safe and stay at home until our next video. I hope to see you there. Bye-bye. Yeah. Oh man. Mm-hmm.